So good morning and welcome to the 2021 Los Angeles Auto Show, where we have a really exciting world premiere for all the Porsche fans out there today.
And that is?
New 718 Cayman GT4 RS. So the big story here is a lot of big stories with this car, but one of the biggest is that it now features the engine that's taken directly from the current 911 GT3. So it's a 4-liter naturally aspirated flat six, making 493 horsepower and 331 foot-pounds of torque in this case. It comes exclusively with the 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, also inspired by the one in the GT3, with really short gearing to make the most out of the engine's power band. 0 to 60 happens in 3.2 seconds, and a top speed of 196 miles per hour, or 315 kilometers per hour in this case.
So enough for getting a good speeding ticket.
Yeah, a lot of carbon fiber.
Okay, well, let's see. Point me a couple of details.
So something really special is this whole front wheel arch. You can see that we've incorporated wheel arch vents to ventilate the air in the front fenders. What typically happens in a fender is when the wheel is turning, the car gets lift from the air circulating in the fender. So these are fenders that you find on race cars as well, like our 911 GT3R, to ventilate the fender well and keep the car
down. Perfect.
With the large front diffuser, the manually adjustable rear wing that you can adjust in several positions, made of carbon fiber. Has a swan neck upright. You'll find this on the GT3 over there as well. So this is something you also find in racing. The wing has been redesigned and it's larger than on the regular GT4, as you can see. Another really special element of the car is the air intakes on the left and right. So this is something that's unique to the GT4 RS. A whole new airbox that you can see back here. Looks really beautiful in exposed carbon fiber, so that the car gets enough air to breathe and process the fuel. It's about 50 pounds lighter than the Cayman GT4 with PDK. This is also the first time we have a Weissach package available for a Cayman, which adds additional components like the front hood and exposed carbon fiber. You can also see the NACA ducts here that feed air to the brakes. And with the Weissach package, if you spec it such, you can also get the optional magnesium wheels, which is also the first time that we have that on a Cayman. This being an RS, the wheels have a center lock hub, which you can also find on the GT3 and some of our other track-based cars. The price, $141,700 in the US. Global pricing is available on your respective Porsche market website. You can find it there. You can check out the configuration possibilities, the colors you can get. This is Arctic Gray, the launch color for the car, which is shared with the Cayenne Turbo GT over there, that we launched in the summer. And yeah, we're very excited about this car. We also have the GT4 RS Club Sport over there, which has the same engine. It's a car for the track, for racing series like SRO and GT4 class racing throughout the world. So really excited to have this Cayman here. It's the fastest Cayman we've ever made. 709 on the Nürburgring, or 704 by the slightly shorter track configuration some people might be used to. So we're really happy that we can now talk about this. We've been holding it as a secret for a while. So please come and check it out online at the show here in Los Angeles. And thanks for stopping by.